Yeah, I
I
can
think
see
you
now.
can hear it, yeah. And first of all, I'm sorry if the audio or visuals goes bad because I'm still at home and it's raining heavily over here. So
Oh, okay.
the internet
So
connection would
where
be
are
a.
you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Kerala.
Ah, Kerala, right. Heavy rains.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
yeah. This time it's the usual stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
So my experience with CTF. So basically, before coming to CTF, I attended a few other courses.
Mm-hmm.
So my whole perspective about the market was like if I am able to get a setup,
Mm,
backtest it, and see it working for quite a few times, then I'll be able to ace the markets. So I
exactly.
always had, yeah, and then I attended a few mentorship courses and so on. So any of those, none of them were able to answer my question. So like why on a certain day this setup worked or why this failed. For
Mm,
me personally, understanding the reason why it failed was really important for me. So I can tweak the system. But no other mentors or anybody would be able to give me the actual reason for that. So then I scrambled to the internet and so on. Then finally I came to your YouTube channel.
mm,
So then I saw you talking about logic, context, and how markets work and how it's basically how it's done. So it was
mm,
really appealing to me.
mm,
Then I went through your YouTube.
mm,
So some content that really reflected with me. That's
mm,
when I came to your website and started to learn the core CTF videos.
mm,
So from there, I had a lot of learnings like how the market actually moves
mm,
and what are the things you need to focus on. Then I joined this intensive just because I wanted to delve deeper and learn
mm,
directly from you. And it
mm,
was a really instrumental change that I had. So I had improved my market understanding for sure because now I would often create these potential option paths in the morning. Then
mm,
by the end of the day, I would reanalyze it what happened in the market. I'm not taking trades or anything just now. I'm just watching the markets and like applying your
mm,
concepts and so on. And
mm,
when I see it working in real time,
mm.
it gives another level of confidence and so on.
Yeah.
Then I would obviously recommend this course to my fellow traders who this one is specifically for those who rely on logic and context, who wants to know why what happened or
Mm,
something is happening.
mm,
Then I've also gone through some ICT stuff. I basically the mentorship I took before was based on ICT. There
mm.
also the mentors were selling it like a pattern stuff. They would
Yeah.
just like uh, take a model from him, then give
Mm,
it as a
mm.
pattern and say, okay, if it happens, then you do this thing.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
But I always had this intuition, like he also like ICT itself also speaks from a logical backend.
Absolutely.
So when I met you, I had that when it comes to market profile and ICT, I find a few concepts like failed auction and liquidity,
Mm, mm,
like lots of the stuff resembles together and it makes a
mm,
lot
mm.
of sense.
Yes.
So a few things I would like to learn from you further is like how like how ICT concept works in Indian market because
Mm.
his content is like really tough to go through,
Yeah, yeah.
and
It's
it's traveled
too
in.
big, too big.
Yeah, it's too big.
Yeah.
It's really big. I've also tried to going through it several times, and then I could grasp,
Mm,
it takes a lot of time and lot of effort. But when you are explaining it, it's like so much easier and it makes
mhm,
more sense, especially coming to Indian markets.
mm, mm.
So that's my whole experience with CTF, and I will be with you in this long journey. And I have not started trading the system yet, not the system, the framework yet.
Mm.
Uh, but I'm progressing day by day, and I hope it will be better day by day.
Absolutely, absolutely. No doubt
And
about it.
I want to thank you, give my appreciation to you for all the efforts you have put in. Like I
Thank
have
you.
never seen so much committed, passionate person in trading as well as teaching who is
Mhm,
putting in this much effort or giving value for the courses that one is taking from you.
mm.
And really amazes me a lot.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. All right. So Matthews wanting to learn ICT, and a good news for you. I just shared a tweet a few days back where I shared a pattern. A trade which worked actually. It was completely based on ICT framework. Another good news is that ICT's base or foundation on which he is he has developed his framework is so similar to what we are studying or what we have already studied. Is that I believe when I actually merge it and include it, then I think that will be another level of explosive combination. Right now what we are doing is we are using market profile to understand what markets are doing, and then use VSA or sometimes order flow to take trades. We can use ICT price action along with market profile or with just volume profile, right? Or maybe we can use our advanced technical analysis tools, the logic part of it, and straight away jump to a price simple candlestick chart, and start combining our advanced technical analysis principles with ICT concepts, and straight away start trading. So the possibilities are limitless there, and I'm just trying my best to bring it to you as soon as possible, right? But not before it is complete to my satisfaction. So once I am satisfied, yes, I can share this with you. That is definitely coming to you. So no problem there.